Today we're in Basehor, Kansas, and we're going to be doing a pond renovation project. My name is Brian. I'm with Bulletproof Landworks, and we are a pond and lake construction and management company. What we're going to be doing to renovate this pond is clear all the trees off the inside of the pond, get all the trees pulled out of there, and then we're going to raise the height of the dam up. Customers have had this property for quite a while. It's always had this old farm pond on it. What the homeowners want to do with this pond whenever it's finished is primarily just use it for fishing. I know they're really involved in fishing and they just love the sport. They have a few kids that also love it, so it just felt right for them to go ahead and expand their pond so they can bring fishing to their backyard. We will be here for 1 week, so this project will take about 5 days. All right, so we've gone ahead and put all of our clay on the dam. We've raised it up and set the slope for the backside of it, and we've also cleared all the trees from around the pond. So you may be wondering why we said we cleared everything, but there's a bunch of this stuff in here. So because this is going to be a fishing pond, all these stumps we're just going to leave in here. These will sit about 6 inches to 8 inches above water level. We're expecting the water level to be here. That's just going to provide more fish habitat. The main benefit that this pond is going to bring to the ecosystem here is just a new species of life here on the property. They're going to have fish, they might have waterfowl that comes to the pond, deer. It's just overall going to be a much more cleaner source of water. The project is now completed. We basically cut off the top of the hill, made a building pad, and took all that dirt, threw it on top of the dam over there, and essentially raised up the level of this pond, thus making it larger. So you might have noticed in the beginning of our video that there was a lot of trees in this entire area. That all the invasive species are now pulled out of there. Just the stumps are left for fishing habitat. It's opened up. You can see everything very clearly. After this is finished graded, it's going to be really beautiful.